manufacturers.
Okay.
The one that I brought with me is Choice Organic Teas, because Bastyr University teas, because of the similarity in the philosophy of the both organizations. So these herbal teas that I've brought here, one of the one called Easy Digest. It has the property of improving your digestion, helps with your some nausea and vomiting if you have, and because it contains ginger, and the ginger is universally acclaimed as a digestive aid.
Will it help everybody?
It helps almost everybody. So
And immediately you'll start feeling
you will
better.
start feeling the effect of that.
Here's my question. Are there any side effects of herbal teas?
Technically and generally, no. Because the herbal ingredients being natural ingredients, again, you have to be in mind that you don't overuse it. But as long as you are careful about how much you're using it, there are usually no side effects. It doesn't contain caffeine, so it doesn't have the caffeine side effects. And it has the positive effect of the herbs or the herbal ingredients that it has. And different type of teas will have different ingredients depending on what effect do you want to achieve.
So when are the best times to drink them, and which ones do you recommend?
All right, so that's again a good question. The timing-wise depends as to what you want to achieve. If your goal is to have mental sharpness and focus, then you want to use the choice organic tea called Mental Focus. It has the ingredients called ginkgo and gotu kola. Those both are supposed to be neuroprotective and neurostimulant. And it would, so before any work that is kind of going to be stressful and you have to be more goal-oriented, that's the time that you use that tea. If you want to go to sleep and have a good night's rest, then the sleep that I would recommend is called Rest Assured. And it has the main ingredient.